Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to connect Amazon Prime Video from mobile to laptop, step by step, so you can enjoy your favorite shows on a bigger screen. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Amazon Prime Video app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use on both devices. This is very important for syncing later. Step 2. Next, on your phone, find your profile icon. It's usually at the bottom right corner, and tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. From the menu, look for the settings option near the top and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the account and device options. Step 4. Now, scroll down the settings until you see an option called My Account. Tap on that, then go into Manage Account. This section helps manage your login and sync options across devices. Step 5. If your Amazon account is already connected on your phone, you're halfway there. You can now go to your laptop and log in using the same Amazon account. Step 6. For example, on your laptop, open any browser like Chrome or Safari and go to the address bar. Type in primevideo.com and hit enter to open the site. Step 7. Once the page loads, sign into the same Amazon account you used on your phone. If you're already signed in, just confirm by checking your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 8. Click on that profile icon, then choose Account and Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll manage devices and connections. Step 9. Now scroll through the tabs until you see Your Devices or just Devices. Click on it. Here you can register a new device, which would be your laptop, or remove older ones you no longer use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Amazon Prime Video from mobile to laptop. Now you can start streaming on the big screen with ease. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.